Hello everyone, welcome back to See the People TV. This is Chitra Singh. I am a fourth year medical student and today we are going to talk about period cramps. And I will tell you 5 things that will help you with your period cramps. You know what? Sometimes I think while making periods, our body was like, no, periods are not that bad for you. Let it make it worse. And then they give you cramps. Like, dude, literally, they take your din ka chain and raton ki neend. Cramps can be different for different people. Like, on one side, there's your friend who has no or very little period cramps and she's flying like a butterfly. And then there's you who is having very bad cramps. You are twisting and turning in your bed to find the most comfortable position to relieve your cramps. So let's just first understand a little that what are actually painful periods and why are they happening to you. Consider this as your uterus. So what happens is every month your uterus prepares itself for a possible pregnancy. It grows its endometrium lining, and if the pregnancy does not happen, it has to expel all the endometrium lining along with the blood. And to throw all the blood and endometrium lining, it has to squeeze and contract itself. And that is when your uterus releases a chemical called prostaglandins. These chemicals help your uterus to contract and squeeze. And because the muscles and blood vessels of your uterus is contracting and squeezing, the amount of oxygen supply to the muscles decreases. And that is how you get your cramps. As you bleed day by day, the amount of prostaglandins keep on decreasing. And that is why your period cramps also decreases by day 2 or 3. Now let me tell you 5 very effective ways that can help you relieve your period cramps. The first and the most popular one is the heating bag. This is a hot water bag. You can fill it with hot water and then you can keep it on your lower abdomen. Mine is wearing a cute sweater. It looks like this from inside. Also, these days we have some electric heating pads which contain some water and gel-like substance. You can charge it and it will take few minutes to heat up and then you can use it. Also, if you don't want to use any of this, no problem. Just take a bottle, fill it with hot water and then wrap it with some towel because you don't want to burn your abdomen, right? So wrap it with the towel and then it's ready to use. These hot water bags will really soothe your muscle and will help you in cramps. The second tip is exercising. I know you must be thinking like, girl, I am in pain, I can't even get out of my bed and you are telling me to exercise. Well, yes, doing regular exercises can really help you with pain, and especially for period cramps, you can definitely try out some stretching or yoga or light exercises. You can definitely try some yoga poses that you can do in your bed, like the child's pose or the butterfly pose or the simple savasana. These yoga poses will really relax your muscle and will help you with cramps. Now, our third and really underrated tip, that is using painkillers. In medical terms, we call these painkillers as NSAIDs. For example, ibuprofen. Many people think that taking painkillers for cramp relieving is not good, it will affect your uterus in some way. But you know that's not true. If your period cramp is really bad, you can definitely take painkillers. But remember that these painkillers will not suit everybody. And if you have a history of heart disease or kidney disease or ulcers or gastric problems, then you should definitely consult your doctor before taking these medicines. Now the fourth tip, that is eat healthy. You should be eating healthy in general, and especially if we are talking about cramps, it is said that if you eat foods rich in magnesium, it will really help you with cramp. Foods like banana and green leafy vegetables that are rich in magnesium and iron are really helpful. And you know what the other thing is helpful? Yes, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolates that are rich in cocoa can have high level of magnesium and they can help you with cramps. You can also have anti-inflammatory foods. For example, you can make ginger tea or fennel, that is soft tea. These are really anti-inflammatory and will help you with your cramps. Also try to avoid highly processed food, caffeine, alcohol or smoking. These will definitely not do any good and will only worsen the situation. Also, you know what? Doing light exercises and eating your favorite food, good dark chocolates can release a hormone in your body called endorphins. These are called the feel good hormones and this will make you feel very good. And now the fifth and the most effective way, especially for me other than the hot water bag, is the massage. You are at your home? Superb. Go grab someone and tell them to massage your back and shoulders. And even if you are alone, try to massage your shoulders this way and back. What happens is when you massage an area, the amount of blood circulation increases in that part, and the amount of oxygen supply to the muscles also increases, so the muscle will tend to relax more easily. Please remember that cramps are normal and its intensity can vary from person to person. But if your cramps are not going away with any of these tips, and also after taking painkillers the cramps are not going away, or if the cramps are interfering your daily life, you are skipping school or work or just laying in bed and the cramps are very severe, then you should definitely go and see a doctor, because that needs a medical attention. I know nobody likes cramps, but I hope these tips will work for you. And also let me know in the comment section what is your favorite tip for the cramp relieving. See you in the next video. Bye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.